Hello, like-minded people. Welcome to my channel. I want you to feel at home, to feel comfortable here. Please remember to hit the like button when you come in. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment and tell a friend. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And please come back. You're always welcome. Thank you.
Everybody, hello, and welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. Some years ago, I made these, I believe they call them jigs, and I made socks some years ago, and so I'm going to make some more. I was trying to make them for this pop up shop that I have up and coming in a couple days. I doubt that I get enough done, but I want to get started on them because I haven't done these in quite a while. So, this is just some hard cardboard um, poster board that I glued two pieces together and measured from the toe. This is the heel line, and then all the way up. I think this is a total of 19 inches by 4.25. And I marked it on both sides. I did several of them trying to get the measurements right. Um, just trying to work it out. Jigs, that's what they're called. So, like I said, I haven't done socks in maybe 2 plus 3 years. And so this was just a sample pair. I had this image that was so pretty, and I didn't want to waste the space that I had left on some sublimation paper. So this one is only, oh, how many inches? This is only 12 inches. So it doesn't cover the full sock, but I can wear these. It's a beautiful guitar. So I put them on these, I ordered from Amazon, Gildan socks. And what I do is I tuck the heel in and I sew it so that this is flat. So I tuck that heel in. Let me show you. Yeah, I'm extra. I do a little extra. So that's the heel part. But I didn't sublimate on the back of these. And I don't know if I'm going to or not. I just want to show you this little sample pair. So I've done another pair. I prepared some socks already and sewn the heels in on a few more pair. And put them in a heat press and flattened them down just to prepare my socks. So these are some of the first jigs that I prepared, and that's it's just cardboard. And so I've placed these socks on here, and these only come up to like 16 inches, I believe. These socks, a total of, from the toe, yeah, 16 inches from the end of the toe to the top here. So I have printed out some sublimation images, and this is, I believe, yeah, it is the Tree of Life. So I have done the other side, and I took it all the way to the toe, up past the top of the sock on both pair. So then you have to, once you do this first side, you'll have white. Um, you see how these socks are? So you have this white line. So what you have to do is, once you have your print on here, to flip it over and do the other side, you'll have to pull the sock in on both sides so that you can cover that white line. So I did the best that I could, stretching these over to pull the image in to this side so that I don't have a white line to show. So let's take this off and see. I used a lot of tape because I had to do a lot of stretching. A lot of tape, y'all. So I'm just going to tear down this image to get it off. Be a lot easier. and just pull it off in pieces. And that way I can flip it over this way and pull this off. So this is the other side. This is the back side. That's where the line is for the heel that I sewed in. And I did pretty good. I do see a little white right here. This side is pretty good. There's a tiny bit of white. It's kind of hard to really get that line out. I think what I need to do is make another jig that's a little bit smaller and use that for the second time. You know, like I press one side on this larger jig, put the sock on a smaller jig so that I can pull it easier to the other side. I think. I'm not sure. I'm going to try it and see. Make some a little bit smaller, or cut some of these down. I think I'm going to cut down these cardboard. That'll be easier to cut this down a little bit. And it might fit better when I flip it over to the other side to sublimate the back side. So let's tear this one off. And the ink came out pretty good. It's really vibrant. Let's see how this second sock turned out. Okay. Looks like it's pretty good. Looks like there's no white on this side. Let's turn it to this side. A little bit of white showing right in here. So let's take them off the jigs and see. So this is just cardboard, and it looks thin, but there's two pieces glued together. And this one is 3.75 by 19 inches long. Is it 19 inches? Oh. Yeah, from top to bottom. Okay. So I'll stick my hand in here so we can see how these white lines, how they met up the edges. So this one's not too bad. Right here, I didn't bring it down far enough. I see a little white right there. But like I said, I haven't done these in years. There's a little white right there. Okay, let's turn it over this way on the other side and see. Yep, a little bit of white line. And this looks like it was folded. It looks like it gapped. So there's a little white line here. I'll take this other one off and see how we did with this one. Stick my hand in here so we can see. So at the tip, I didn't have it quite down, but that's okay. I didn't have it all the way down past that edge, that toe edge. Let me stick my hand in here. So there's white lines here too. So it's not quite matched up, but it's not too bad. You could just see where the images meet. Up further, you don't see it. All right, let's turn this one over and see the other side. Yep, little white right there. This looks like where it gathered. I think it was bulked up to have a big space like that. But maybe it kind of blends in. I don't know. Didn't do too bad on this side. So now I've got to release this thread for this heel. And I got to find how to get up in here because it's really tight. So let's see. I don't know. I'll turn one inside out. Nope, I can't see it on that side. Okay, let me turn it back the other way and see how I can release these strings. Maybe if I stretch it a little bit. I said I've forgotten how to do this. I haven't done it in so long. I could just get a hold of some of that thread without tearing up the sock. Ooh, I can't see it. I don't know, y'all. Let me come back. Let me get a magnifying glass or something to see where I can start pulling this thread out. Okay, I got it, y'all. I had to go into the light so I could see what I was doing out in the sunlight. And I stretched it apart and used my seam ripper to help me find the threads. And so this is the heel. And I'll put it on my arm like this is my foot so you guys can see. This one's not too bad. Just right here I see the white, a little bit on the side. And here's the other one. Got that heel out. And this one might be the better of the two. Maybe, maybe not. But I'm going to keep practicing. I'm going to get it together, use a few images to see what I can come up with and get this back perfected. Not perfected, but you know, good enough. So I can start selling these again. And so this is the tree of life. And I have somebody in mind that I want to gift these to. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. I'm going to keep at it till I get it right. I've got a few more ready. 3 more pair that I'm going to work on when I get time. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so at this time. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Have you tried these socks before? Have you made your own jigs? Jig? Whatever they're called. Jigs. They're not hard to do. Just need something sturdy and some measurements. Peace and love. We'll see ya. Toodles.
As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.